Good morning to you, children, teachers and parents. Welcome to the Wales Millennium Centre here in Cardiff Bay. Of course, you are all, every single one of you are winners today. Mae pawb sydd yma heddiw yn enillwyr, of course. The Enterprise Supers competition is part of Big Ideas Wales project, of course, and it's a campaign by the Welsh Government to support young pupils from the age of 5 to 25 to increase awareness of entrepreneurship and to explore business ideas.
Well, it's really great, isn't it? It's part of us changing the school curriculum to make sure that the children are much more engaged in the world of business, the world of work, and you can see their enthusiasm. It's really hard to stop smiling when I was looking at all their faces. I've just been talking to some of the teams. So this is just all about getting them to understand what running a business is all about and how creative they can be, and that they've got the ideas to make the next big Welsh company. So it's really an important piece of learning.
Our product is willow trees and stars and Christmas decorations.
We've learned our business skills and how to make the products, especially the weaving. It was the most difficult, but we got around it and we learned how to do it.
Our idea is a bag for life to sustain the environment.
Being part of this competition is very adventurous and exciting.
Mae'n ffantastig yn gweld plant trwy Gymru gyd yn gystadleuo efo'i gilydd o'r gogledd i'r de, a ti'n bod a cael y plant i gyd yn minglo efo'i gilydd, da gwych.
So to come to the final today and be one of the judges was a real pleasure. The standard, as usual, extremely high. Some real, genuine, successful businesses that could easily be replicated at a higher level and sell some stuff all over.
Well, they're fantastic, aren't they? I'm just grinning like a Cheshire cat here because just them brimming over with enthusiasm, and you can see all their great ideas and how, you can see how it's unleashed their creativity really. And a huge thanks to our business sponsors and to all the schools who've taken part, because it's no small effort to get them here. But some of the ideas are just amazing, and I'm sure we'll be seeing them in the shop shortly.
Felly enillydd y cenedlaethol cystadleuaeth y Criw Mentris 2017, the national winner of this fantastic competition for 2017. Ysgol Pant y Go!
Rydyn ni'n teimlo reit dda am bod ni wedi ennill. Wel, da ni wedi bod yn ei llawer o bethau, ond o'n i wedi enjoyo bod mewn y fanna yn clywed na ni wedi ennill, ac oedd wedi bod yn anhygoel, ac oedd o'n brofiad arbennig iawn i gael ennill.
Enterprise Supers Winners 2017!